You just missed the coolest thing ever. I just filmed the whole process of them putting the net out. What kind of fish is that? Balawu. Good, easy? Yeah? See all the fish they caught? Yeah.